today
What is that?
cream.
Ice cream.
Yes. You want the ice cream?
Well-
Okay, you buy yourself gift here. Bye.
What will they get? They need pencil and a paper for them to
Yes.
draw.
Yes. You
Right?
are gonna draw by yourself.
Oh, you
with the
teach them how. You
pencil.
teach them how to draw it.
Look.
What's that?
Pencil and like that and here. Look, that's there and here.
Wow.
That's a pipette.
A backpack?
That's not a pipette.
That's Angry Bird.
Yes, look at that Angry Bird.
Oh, you made an Angry Bird. What's this? How about this?
A watermelon.
How about this one?
A caterpillar.
Caterpillar. How about this?
An ice cream cone. I'm
Wow.
gonna make a...
You're good. You're so good, huh?
Yeah. That's an ice cream cone.